The race. It's 5 o'clock and Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He is riding down Venice Street and comes to a stoplight. A red Ferrari pulls up next to him. The driver is wearing dark sunglasses. He looks over at Alan. Alan looks at him and realizes the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom sneers at Alan. He says, "When the light turns green, let's race." Alan says, "Alright, you're on." Tom says, "I'm gonna smoke you, Shaka." Alan says, "You witch, I'm gonna beat you and your shorty ass car." Alan and Tom wait at the light. They rev their engine. Suddenly, the light turns green. Alan and Tom take off. They zoom down Venice Street at top speed. Tom is winning, but suddenly, blue and red lights appear behind Tom. It's the police. They pull him over. Alan zooms past Tom. "Lauren," he yells, "better luck next time." Alan is the winner.